Volta. Vold, how's it going? You can go to bed, buddy. You don't have to stay up. It's gonna be a boring stream. Full of nothing but code cleanup. But I appreciate you coming in, even though you're, you're trying to get some sleep. I appreciate it. Haven't actually gone to bed yet. Yes, I dressed up for Twitch chat, and only for Twitch strat. Strat. You may have just witnessed a stroke on stream. Maybe. You know what I mean. Hey, Elko, how you doing, bud? Stream is gonna make me fall asleep then. Yeah. Stroking, yeah. Right. Good. Here's a question. In my volume mixer. Gotta clean up my chair. I know. Got my sweater here. Which I do not need. And then this guy. It's fine. I'll keep that. Don't care about that. Hey Ryan, how's it going? Or Natai, guitar? No, I have to do code cleanup. I have to do code cleanup today, and I really don't want to. And when I don't want to do something, but I need to do it, I dress up, and then it helps me like remember what I'm here for, and that I have to be professional. People are counting on me. Eat that frog. I'm not sure what that is in reference to. This mode, it's getting serious, Rorts. It's not that, I don't know, it's just, I have lots of cleanup I gotta do. And if I don't dress up and just buckle down and do it, I'm not going to do it, you know? And that's no good. Because I'm responsible for a lot of different things, and I just gotta... Serious mode on the game. It's going to be cleanup on the game and cleanup on the Laravel project. I'm going to be doing cleanup on both. It's just a bunch of code cleanup today. I am. I am working for the man on the weekend. Ask Geppetto to fix the work cleanup. Yeah. If I could trust Geppetto, I would. Oh, is that what you're talking about, Ryan? Eat the frog. 21 great ways to stop procrastinating, get more done in less time. Man, I wish I had books like this when I was younger, because I've had to learn it the hard way, which is, you know, I had a period of like about a year and a half. I was single, I was young, I loved video games. I was making like just a little bit of money, and I thought, you know, I can kind of slack off. I don't need to do my work. I can sit down and play this new PlayStation 2 game with all these cool like warships in the ocean. I don't remember what the name was, and like Ace Combat, things like that. And then you go hungry, which I was not a stranger to, but it's different when you go hungry because of something you did to yourself versus you go hungry because of something not in your control. And it didn't take long for me to break my own habits. It wasn't KOTOR. Hey Frackery, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. Rorts, how are you doing, by the way? Ryan, might ask how you're doing, but I've seen you around different chats all day, so I know you're doing well. That's why my habits are destructive. Yeah, Frackery. Yeah. Ryan's working hard, I know. Okay, let me send out a quick message. You're getting over your illness, starting to feel human again? That's great, Rorts. I'm glad to hear that, man. Okay, message sent. Time to go into cleanup mode. I did find out if one of my side projects was getting a big customer in January. Jan has passed and haven't heard from them yet. How big of a business are we talking here, Ryan? Because if it's a big business, you know how these things are, right? It doesn't necessarily mean anything. It could just be big business taking its time. It's usually how it goes, right? So big, yeah. So you know, I wouldn't take that as a sign that something's wrong. That's how all big businesses are. Pretty much all of them, right? The good stuff takes a long time to get through. Terrible decisions happen like instantly. Okay, let me get my music going. The music that I can't play for all of you because it would be EMCA issues. Get me in the mood, you know. I gotta get myself in the mood. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Myself in the mood. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Let's get in the mood. You know, you can stream music on a different stream and we can hear it live, but it doesn't go into the VOD, right? I mean, wait, hang on. I can stream music onto a different stream. Like what? Like on Rumble or something? Hang on, I don't follow words. What you talking about, bud? What you talking about there? Like, you use 2 channels or streams. But how does that prevent me from getting DMCA strikes? When they just strike the second, you send to Twitch 2 streams. One's your current one, the other one is just music. Okay. But then... Hey, blind. Channels on OBS. The DMCA doesn't strike live streams, and the VOD stream doesn't have music. So it would, since Twitch only saves 1 stream. I'm gonna have to look into that, because then I could play the music I'm listening to. Hang on. Nutty? Really? Let me see. I'm curious if I could set that up. Like, could I do it? But then I'd have to set up a second channel, wouldn't I? I can't do it right this second. Do it for next stream, yeah. Okay. I can't do it right now because I'd have to end the stream. I probably have to restart to get it going. Yeah, so I don't want to do that. But okay, I'm gonna do this next time maybe. All right. Yeah. And then it gets so just set up their audio so there's a Twitch VOD track. That's all the sound from their stream minus the music. This means the VOD isn't muted anywhere. That's what I was just reading. There's a Twitch VOD track. Well, I mean... Okay. Videos, that's why I don't publish. Okay, so essentially what I'd be doing is I'd be shipping send 2 channels so you could optionally have, yeah. Yeah, so it'd be, you'd have a separate VOD track, separate audio source. Instead of using desktop. That the music isn't on my... What? See, then I'm reading the something stuff online and it's like I use OBS and instead of using desktop audio as my audio source, that's what I'm doing. I have desktop audio as my audio source. I use application audio capture for my game's music alert, so you'd have a different track. Make sure you don't send the music channel to wide. Right, it would just only be for Twitch. That's right. I wouldn't send this track anywhere else. I have it set so music isn't on my VOD track. Is a mixer. Creates a lot of sources, but I haven't had any issues doing it this way. But then what's recording the VOD track? Like, how are you separating the VOD track when you're... There's a lack of explanation in some of these. People just drop hints and they don't really explain what that means, right? Like, I've got a wave for beacon. Separated audio. Okay, separated audio, but then you have to send it somewhere. I feel like you did it. You one-guide the stream, but I want to do this because it's really frustrating to have an entirely different machine to play the music I want to play because I like it, and you guys just listen to the same music every time. Yeah, there's a lack of... Nice warm crackling fire, yeah. Unify. Okay, but Ryan, even if I do that, even if I do a mixer or whatever, what I'm sending to the Twitch stream gets recorded, right? You need I might have you covered, man. If you could actually listen to what I'm listening, some of you might actually be quite happy with what I'm listening to. Okay, here we go. Hang on, just pay for a license. Hang on. If you have OBS, make sure you have the stream set to advanced in your settings and check the box to create a VOD audio track, which should be track 2 by default. Then left click on your audio sources, click advanced properties, and uncheck track 2 on whatever audio input the music stream comes from. For example, I have my game audio set to my speakers and my music set to my headset. So I uncheck track 2 from my headset input in OBS, but keep track 1 selected. So anything that comes through my headset goes to my stream, but doesn't show up in the Twitch VOD. Side note, if you record your stream locally while you're streaming, that VOD should have all the audio, music included. Is that all? Is that the key? Yeah. Okay, so I'm not seeing... Oh, here we go. Stream overlay. Network. Sources. Okay, it's probably something I have to do like when I'm not streaming. I think some stuff is locked out during the stream. Can you link the docs to me on Discord or something? Here. For Windows, I can separate them. Deetra, hello. Good to see you, Deetra. Thank you for the follow too. Here, DocLock. Here's what I found. Should I stop my stream and sort this out and come back? I'm only 20 minutes in. Should I do it now or should I do it later? Dogluck wants me to do it now. Because I don't think I can do it while I'm on stream. Yeah, it won't let me do it while I'm streaming. Okay. I'm gonna quickly end the stream. I'm gonna stop the stream real quick. Hang on. But if I do, hang on, I gotta think about this, because if I do that, does that mean it's gonna go out to YouTube though? If I multi to YouTube and stuff? You know what else has got me concerned? That maybe I don't want to do this. In my dashboard, I can see live DMCA strikes. And I think Twitch did that so you can get DMCA'd live. And set it so YouTube doesn't get the VOD track at all. Probably. That's what Prime does? Yeah. YouTube has no music when he streams? Okay. Only Twitch. That makes sense. Okay, it's probably something I'm gonna have to do a bunch of setup on then. Yeah, I know there's stream safe music, but my stuff isn't stream safe music. What kind of monstrosity is that link, Doclock? There's a stream for safe music, yeah. I just pay a license. Yeah, but I don't know if they have the songs that I want. I mean, if I can get the audio thing sorted out, yeah. Deetra, by the way, I saw your question. Do you like JavaScript? I do like JavaScript. Not as much as I like other languages, but I like it enough. Yeah, there's some Spotify playlists which are... they're fine. I know. I have, and they suck. They don't do it for me, Ryan. Spotify ones just don't do it for me. But the ones the one I'm playing now, I could sit here and Janitor code all day. Like it's pretty tight for me. But I can't play it. I can't put it on. You know? Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. It needs work to fine tune. I get it. Yeah. How do you play the music that you do play? Yeah, so the Heartbound soundtrack is as long as you purchase the game and the soundtrack, Pirate Software says go ahead and use it as background music. We won't strike you for it. Because he's just a nice guy that way. Yeah. Good. Good guy, Pirate Software. Two-step. The answer is yes. Yeah, right, Rorts. The answer is yes. To both. And I'm trying to find a way to play the music that I'm playing on my main machine. Which gets me in the mood. And I think there's a way, but I'd have to stop the stream and do it. And and then on top of that, I'm using Restream. I'm not actually using individual RTMPs to each place. So I would have to I have to figure that out. And I don't want to stop the stream right. Well, I mean, I could, but it would probably annoy the heck out of a lot of people. Yeah, as per usual. Two-step. I'm going to start with the game a little bit because I feel like cleaning up the game a bit, and then I'll switch back and forth. There's only 17 here. All right, Ryan, are you... First of all, low-key shade thrown. Low-key shade. Okay, it's a lot of people for me. Should I just do it? Are you Ryan Docklock? Are you saying I should just do it and figure it out? Because I could probably be up and running again 20 minutes, right? Like... Call an ambulance. Alright, okay. I'm stopping the stream. I'm going to figure out my music so you guys can listen to what I'm listening to. Alright? You're sick of Heartbound? Perfect. Okay, it's part of the show now. Okay, two-step. Okay, fair. Fair. Okay, two-step. The part of the game code that I want to add some enums. Because we're doing a lot of like zeros, ones, twos, threes to represent certain things, and I think we can do that in enums. Okay, so okay, so hang on. Okay, I'm gonna stop the stream. Just use structs. Yeah, I mean, yes, Docklock, but enums are also needed, so. Yeah, risky with YouTube, I know. That's why I'm just gonna try and quickly figure it out. If I have to, I'll just stream on Twitch. To start with. Because, like, I don't have anyone on Twitter, and I don't have anyone on YouTube. Right. So if I really have to, I'll just figure it out on Twitch real quick and I'll be back in 10 to 20 minutes. Right. Okay. So I'll be back. Then maybe you guys can hear what I'm hearing. You added one called data type? Yes. Two-step. That's right. Yeah. We can get some enums in. That would be good cleanup so that we don't have to guess like what zeros, ones are. Rackery, I'll be back. I promise. I promise. Okay. I promise I'll be back. Okay. See you in a few minutes. See if I can figure this out. I'm also on Discord, okay? So you can also, if you really need me that bad, you can just hit me up on Discord for the 10 minutes it's gonna take or whatever.